What's the quickest way to do a batch update on certain pieces of on a certain piece of information in all of my inventory items? I use QuickBooks Premier. Yes! There is a tool that's only a couple years old. It's called Batch Enter. So you can hear from the scope of this question. In Ask a CFO, our weekly show, I answer questions that are strategic in nature, that are technological in nature, that are accounting in nature, and it's my pleasure to do so. So yes, there is a way to batch update, and I want to teach you how to do that. First, if it's something that can be done literally all at once, like it's a formula, we're increasing our prices by 5%, or some kind of text-based formula, I have a custom field, and to everybody that says the customer type is networking group, I want to change it to just say networking. You don't want to go in there one by one because that's a horrible use of time. You hate it, I hate even thinking about it, and there's no way to spend your day, and you know it. The tool that you want is called Batch Enter, and here's how to use it. It's a two-stage process. Three-stage process. They say that there are three types of accountants, those who can count and those who can't. What can I tell you? So there are three steps to this process. You export your existing list, you do your magic formula, and you import your list in a huge batch. We'll talk step-by-step details. If you want to email me, I can sketch it out for you step-by-step, or I can get on live with you one-on-one with a screen share. But that's what you do in essence. So you run the report from the reports menu, have the inventory report that you need, filter to only show your inventory items, export to Excel, do your formula, increase all prices by 5%, or change networking group to networking. Use that in a formula, and when you batch upload back into QuickBooks, you do it by going to the Lists menu, followed by Add, Edit, Multiple List Entries. This is what's famously, anyway, I love it. You bring up the list, you bring up your items filter, so it's only your inventory items, and you take that column that you did your magic formula, copy and paste the whole thing. I mean, the whole thing, my friends. Click Save, and you're good to go. There's only one thing that I do every time I do this batch paste that you want to be aware of. If you're in a multi-user environment, get into single user mode first, which is in the File menu. The last thing you want is that someone has created a new inventory item in the 3 seconds that you were working in Excel and before you uploaded back. So get into single user mode first, and then after you paste, just scroll down to the bottom. If the data seems to align on the very last item, then you're good to go. Click Save. If it doesn't, hit cancel, figure out what went wrong, and do it again.